guys have to try this Snickers iced coffee from McDonald's, and today I'm going to show you guys how to order it. Go to your McDonald's app and then scroll down until you see McCafe. Then you want to scroll down until you see iced hazelnut coffee, and I picked a large. Then click Customize Ingredients, and then you're going to go down to the chocolate caramel syrup and add 1 of it. Then this part is optional, but I added some whipped cream to the top. Then go to chocolate syrup and add 1 of it. Then you want to scroll until you see caramel drizzle, and I added 2 of it. Then hit add to cart and you're all set.